I'm here with a 30-inch, 32-inch Samsung Tcl television, but I have ordered a board off eBay, and all those boards, they look so identical. But one problem I had encountered is that they are not exactly the same. What happens, they have some parts that seem to be in different positions, but the printed circuit board is actually the same printed circuit board, but parts are in different positions. So what I had to do was to cut this motherboard, this main logic TV board, in two. As you notice, there is where I cut it. So I had to place the old half of the old board onto half of the new board. To my right, that's on screen, this is the half of the new board, and right where those blue capacitors are is where I had to cut all the way up to this thyro resistor and all the way up to the transformer. And I had to use back my the latter half of the printed circuit board, and this is actually what the old half of the old board was like. It had a damaged transistor right here, it had a damaged resistor right here, and some other pieces that could have been damaged, but more so in the power section. And this is the brand new printed circuit board which I have ordered. I'm gonna just rest them side by side for us to observe the similarity. They are almost identical. You have to really look good to see the difference. And if you notice very clearly, the model number, the circuit board number, they are exactly the same. So this was what led me to order this main board, because both of them actually are the same number, right? But what I can tell you is that after cutting these two boards in two and resoldering every joint, I'm gonna plug it into power. I'm gonna plug it into power, and here is the power button. Let's see what it says. Let me press it again. Maybe I press it too soon. Yes, it's on. And I want to show you that there's actually a picture. I have to be careful here because this hasn't been set up back to normal. But under here, it's a blue screen, and there you see the no signal banner, and it has just changed position. So this television is back on the road, courtesy a little bit of electronics knowledge and some know-how and some faith. Right, so this is a Samsung 32-inch television. I had to use half of the old board and also half of the new board. So this is electrician technician Mr. Fix-It Buddha Kenroy Richardson signing out, saying bless, peace, never give up, and put God first always. Bless.